Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about dialysis, albuminuria, uric acid, urethral stricture in health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows: list of concoctions first, then diet plan with millets. Third one is exercise, and the last one is what foods to avoid. What to avoid means what foods to avoid. The third part, exercise part. If there is a problem for you to exercise, initially you can reduce the time. Okay, once you can perform it well, then you can start increase the time. Okay, time or distance, whatever the measure you take. Okay, so first let's go to the concoctions first. Okay, Indian mallow leaves. Okay, these are the leaves, Indian mallow leaves. You can take at least this size leaves, 4 or 5, that is sufficient. Coriander leaves, because the leaf is very small, you have to take more. Okay, like 10 to 15, like that. Okay, depending upon the size of the leaf. Okay, to make concoction or kasaya. Third one is this one. It is very close to the earth. Okay, Boiravia diffusa. These leaves you have to take at least 10 to 15. Okay, to make concoction. Next one is, this is very important, Brifolium pinnatum. Okay, Brifolium pinnatum. This size leaves we can take 5. Okay, 5 to 6 to make concoction. Last one is banana stem. Everything else is same, but here you don't have any leaf, right? You have to cut this stem into pieces. Okay, take 1/4 of the banana stem or this much size. Okay, of banana stem to make concoction. Make it into small pieces and put it in the hot water. Okay, anyhow at the end of the video you will see how to make concoction. Okay, so this is the plan: list of concoction. First week Indian mallow leaves, second week coriander, third week is this one, fourth is this, fifth is banana stem. Okay, if you do not find any one or two of the above, you can still continue the cycle with the remaining concoctions. Okay, and you have to consume concoction on empty stomach. Okay, and thereafter you have to take a gap of 45 minutes to 1 hour to have your next meal. Okay, 1 hour is preferable, but if you don't have that much time, at least take 45 minutes gap. Okay, and the diet plan, next one is diet plan. Little millets for 3 days, kodo millet for 3 days, barnyard millet for 3 days, foxtail millet for 1 day, brown top millet for 1 day. Okay, total 11-day cycle. So eat these millets alternatively for this 11-day schedule, and repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. And you shouldn't consume rice, bread, wheat products, maida products, and any refined flours, refined millets also till your recovery. Okay, consume whole grains. Okay, whole millets. Use only cold pressed oils. Okay, and this is for dialysis patients. They have to take millet porridge for at least for 9 weeks. They have to cook millets in the porridge form. Okay, first 9 weeks they must consume it in the porridge form. Okay, uh, we'll be looking at how to make porridge also in this video. The next one is how to cook millets. Cook it like rice or make millet porridge. There are two ways essentially. First one, cooking millets like rice. Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on a open top or in a pressure cooker. But it is better to avoid pressure cooking if you have plenty of time. Okay, time to cook. Okay, that is one way. The other way, making millet porridge. This is the best way if you want to reduce your diseases uh, early. That means it takes less time. Uh, it acts effectively within less amount of time. Okay, So use either granulated millets or whole millets. Okay, your wish. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Okay, and soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Okay, vessel should not be closed. Okay, once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay, once it is cooled, you have to tie the top of the vessel using a cotton cloth. Okay, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours or 12 hours. Okay, not more than 12 hours, and then you can eat it. Okay, this is porridge way. This is preferable for dialysis patients for the first 9 weeks. Okay, next one is exercise. Walk for 1 hour minimum in a day. Okay, if you can. Otherwise, reduce the time a little bit initially, and then slowly increase your walking time day by day. Okay, this is minimum. 1 hour is minimum. Okay, if you can walk more than 1 hour also, that is fine. You're encouraged to walk more. Okay, this is essential. Foods to avoid: milk and all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined products also, refined rice, refined wheat. Okay, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. If you want to consume any sweet product, you can consume either honey or uh, palm jaggery. Okay, wheat powder and refined wheat powder. Okay, tea, coffee, all bakery products, polished millets also or refined millets. You have to consume only whole millets. Okay, non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods also, and all ready-to-eat foods also. Okay, that's it, guys. Coriander leaves concoction. Okay, first we have to take coriander leaves. These many are sufficient. Okay, and in the boiling water, you have to add coriander leaves. Okay, they are actually cleaned using running water. It's better to use running water alone. Okay, it has to be boiled in a low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, once it get boiled, you have to keep the top closed. Okay, and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the boiling is over, we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. See, this is filter. By using that filter, you have to filter it. That is waste, that is not at all useful. This is how you will get it. Okay, this color you will get. Okay, you have to sip it. Okay, you shouldn't be consuming whole thing at a time. You have to sip it drop by drop using a spoon. Okay, thank you.